Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology perfectly, step by step. To begin, active learning is your first crucial step. Instead of passively reading, truly engage with the material. Test your knowledge often with practice questions and quizzes. Try explaining complex concepts aloud to yourself or a friend. This really helps solidify your understanding. Always connect new information to what you already know, building a strong foundation for future learning. Next, visualize and organize your concepts for better retention. Drawing diagrams and flowcharts is incredibly effective for illustrating complex biological processes. Make flashcards for key terms, definitions, and examples to aid memorization. Organize your notes logically using outlines or concept maps, which helps you see the bigger picture. Additionally, use color coding to highlight important information, making it easier to review and recall later. Now it is time to practice and apply your knowledge consistently. Solve numerous practice problems from your textbooks and various online resources. Review past exam questions to familiarize yourself with common question formats and expectations. Actively apply biological concepts to real-world scenarios to deepen your understanding. Consider participating in study groups. Discussing challenging topics with peers can offer new perspectives and clarify doubts. Finally, consistent review and self-assessment are paramount for perfect biology study. Schedule regular review sessions, perhaps for 20 to 30 minutes daily, to reinforce your memory. Identify your weak areas and dedicate extra study time to master them. Teaching concepts to others is a powerful way to deepen your own understanding. Remember to get adequate sleep, about 7 to 9 hours, for optimal brain function and information consolidation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.